What's up, everyone? This is Crown Chrysler in Ventura County. Today, we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2020 Ram 1500 Laramie. Bright white exterior color with a black interior color. 24,305 miles, one owner, clean CarFax with no accidents. 5.7-liter V8 HEMI MDS VVT eTorque engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission. 17 and 22 miles per gallon city and highway. 4x4 drivetrain, wireless phone connectivity, split folding rear seats, Apple CarPlay, two LCD monitors, remote keyless entry, 18-inch alloy wheels, leather upholstery, auto dimming rearview mirror, 23-gallon fuel tank, and a trailer hitch receiver, and much more. If you like what you see, call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more details. Again, this is Crown Chrysler in Ventura County, and you just previewed a certified pre-owned 2020 Ram 1500 Laramie.